In this video, you will learn about the logic gates realized using programmable logic controller. The AND gate. The truth table for AND gate is shown here. A and B are the two inputs to the AND gate. Q is the output. When A and B both are 0, the output Q is 0. When A is 1, A is on, B is off, output is 0. When A is off, B is on, the output is 0. When A and B both are on, 1 indicates on. The output Q is available. AND gate gives output when both the inputs are on. Now let us realize the AND gate by using simple electrical circuit. Here switch A and switch B are connected in series and the output lamp is connected. The lamp will glow or turn on only when both switch A and switch B are closed. This is the electrical equivalent circuit of the AND gate. Now let us try and convert this into a ladder diagram. For that, first we will draw the two power rails, two vertical lines which indicate the power supply. Then the switch A and switch B, these are the two inputs, they are shown on the left side, and these two switches are normally open switches. Therefore, we will use the normally open switch symbol. This will indicate switch A. Switch B is connected in series with A. Therefore, switch B is shown in series in the ladder diagram. And finally, the output lamp L is shown on the right side by a circle. Thus, switch A, switch B are normally open switches. They are represented by the two parallel lines symbol, and the lamp or the output is shown by a circle. This diagram, this ladder diagram represents the AND gate. The OR gate. A and B are the inputs, whereas Q is the output. When both A and B are off, the output is off. When A is on, B is off, the output is on. When A is off, B is on, the output is on. When both A and B are on, the output is on. Thus, OR gate gives output when any of the two inputs are on, or even when both the inputs are on. Let us realize the OR gate by simple electrical circuit. Here there are two inputs A and B, means we are going to use two switches. Switch A is normally open, it is connected in parallel with switch B, and the power supply and the output lamp L. The lamp L will glow or it will turn on when either A is closed or on, or B is closed or on. So this circuit is the OR gate circuit by using electrical symbols. Let us try and convert this into the ladder diagram. The two vertical lines representing the power rails, two inputs A and B. So this is a normally open switch, this is a normally open switch. These two are connected in parallel. So normally open switch A connected in parallel with normally open switch B and the output lamp L on the right side. This diagram is the ladder diagram for OR gate. The NOT gate. In the NOT gate, the input and the output are opposite to each other. That is why it is also known as the inverter gate. The NOT gate is realized by using a normally closed switch. This symbol in the electrical circuit represents a normally closed switch. When we press this switch, this will open. Open means it will turn off and the lamp will be turned off. So when we turn on the switch, the lamp will become off. This switch is similar to the emergency switch on the machines. When we press the emergency switch, the machine stops. That is, when we give the input, the machine stops. The output becomes 0. When no input is given, the output is available. In the ladder diagram, a normally closed switch symbol is used to represent the switch A here in the NOT gate, and it is connected to the output L or a lamp. This ladder diagram represents the NOT gate. The NAND gate. NAND gate is combination of two gates and plus the NOT gate. P and Q are the inputs shown in the truth table and R is the output. The NAND gate will not give any output when both P and Q are on. So thus this is exactly opposite to the AND gate. The NAND gate can be realized by electrical circuit as shown in the figure. P and Q are the normally closed switches. They are connected in parallel and this combination is connected in series with the lamp L, which is representing the output. In the ladder diagram, PQ shown in parallel, these are normally closed symbols and the lamp L shown as the output. Gate. The NOR gate is combination of two gates OR plus the NOT gate. P and Q are the inputs, R is the output. From the truth table, it can be seen that the NOR gate gives the output when both P and Q are off. This condition is exactly opposite to the OR gate. Electrically, the NOR gate can be realized by using two normally closed switches which are in series. So this is the switch P, switch Q in series, the power supply and the lamp L representing the output. Thus, when both the switches are off means if you do not press them, they are off. But because they are normally closed, they will carry the current and the lamp L will become on. This is the condition 1 which is shown. The PLC ladder diagram of the NOR gate is realized by two normally closed switches connected in series P, Q and the lamp L shown as the output. The exclusive OR gate. This gate is also known as disagreement circuit. In this circuit, the output is available only when either A is on or B is on. That is, out of the two inputs, only one should be on at a time. When both are on, the gate does not give output, and when both are off, this exclusive OR does not give output. This gate can be realized in PLC ladder diagram by the following technique. It uses normally open and normally closed switch. Here you can see that switch A is normally open and at the same time below it is normally closed. Similarly, switch B is normally closed and it is normally open. In one of the branch it is normally closed, in another branch it is normally open. Now this is possible only in case of PLC ladder programming. Here we can see that there are four different symbols: normally open, normally closed, normally open. But their addressing or their labels are only two, A and B. Thus, there are only two inputs, A and B, as shown in the truth table, and only one output Q. Exclusive NOR. This gate is exactly opposite to the exclusive OR gate. This is also known as the agreement circuit or agreement gate. This gate gives the output when both A and B, both the inputs are off or both the inputs are on. So that is why this gate is called as the agreement. Means when both A and B agree on, it will give output. When both A and B agree off, it will give output. The gate does not give output when either A is on or B is on. The ladder diagram for exclusive NOR is shown. In this, the normally open switches are connected in series and two normally closed switches are connected in series. These two arrangements are connected in parallel. From the labels we can see that in one of the branches A and B both are normally open and in another branch A and B are normally closed. Thus, similar to the exclusive OR gate, this gate has only two inputs, even though we can see four different switches here. But carefully note the addressing. In the addressing or in the labeling, A and B. So only there are two labels, A and B. Therefore, there are only two inputs and one output Q. Let us quickly revise the logic gates. AND gate uses two normally open switches in series. The OR gate uses two normally open switches in parallel. The NOT gate uses normally closed switch. NAND gate uses two normally closed switches in parallel. The NOR gate uses two normally closed switches in series. Exclusive OR gate, it uses combination of normally open and normally closed switches. And finally, exclusive NOR gate, it uses normally open and normally closed switches. That's all in the logic gates. Thank you.